In this video I will show you how to create a reference plane offset from a selected face by a specific distance. Reference planes are very useful, especially when designing complex shapes. First, let's create a new file in Part Design Workbench and let's create a simple solid. Select Create Sketch and select XY plane. Select Create Rectangle and draw a rectangle. OK, right click to cancel this command and let's add the symmetry constraint about the origin. Select this point and this point and select Constrain Symmetrical. OK, now let's add the dimensions of the rectangle. Select Constrain Horizontal Distance and select this line and enter here 100 mm. OK. And now select Constrain Vertical Distance, select this line and enter here 70 mm. OK. Click Close to exit the sketch and select the Path feature to add a sketch extrusion. And for the length of the extrusion, which in this case is the height of the solid, enter 10 mm. OK. And now I would like to create a sketch on a plane that will be offset 20 mm from this face to the center of the model. And to create such a sketch I need a reference plane. And to create such a plane, select this face and select Create a Datum Plane. A plane has been created that coincides with the selected face, but using these parameters we can offset this plane by a certain value. In this case we will offset the plane in z direction, and to offset this plane 20 mm to the center of the solid, enter here minus 20 mm. OK, and click OK to accept. And now we can create a sketch on this plane. Select this plane and select Create Sketch. First I'm going to create a reference geometry for this solid. Select Create External Geometry and select this edge. OK, right click to cancel this command, and at this point this geometry is not visible because the model is obscuring it. And to make the geometry covered by the model clearly visible, select View Section, and this option is also here. OK, now select Create Polyline and draw the polyline such that the first point lies on the reference geometry around here, the second point lies on the y-axis, and the third point lies on the reference geometry on this side. OK, right click to finish drawing and right click to cancel this command. And now select these 2 points and y-axis and select Constrain Symmetrical. OK, now select Constrain Preserving Sketch Fillet and select this line and this line. OK, right click to cancel this command and select Constrain Radius and select this fillet and enter 15 mm as the fillet radius. OK. Right click to cancel this command and now select this point and select Constrain Horizontal Distance and enter here 50 mm as the distance between these points. OK. And one more constraint is missing here. Select this point and select Constrain Vertical Distance and enter here 15 mm and OK. Sketch is fully constrained. Click Close to exit the sketch, and we've created a sketch on this plane which is offset 20 mm from this face. You can turn off the visibility of the reference plane, select this plane in the feature tree and press the spacebar. And to keep this sketch from being useless, we will create another sketch and add a sweep along path operation. Select this face and select Create Sketch. Now select Create External Geometry and select this line to create the reference geometry for this sketch. OK, right click to cancel this command, and in this case we will need only this point. And now let's select Create Circle and draw a circle so that the center of the circle coincides with this point. OK, right click to cancel this command and select Constrain Diameter, select Circle and enter here 5 mm and OK. Right click to cancel this command and click Close to exit sketch, and now we will add a sweep along the path operation. Select the circle sketch and select Additive Pipe. The profile sketch has been selected, and click this button and select the path sketch. Select this sketch and click OK to accept. OK. And as you can see, it looks bad, but we will get to that in the next lesson. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to this channel.